It's really coming down now. We got dinner. No! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Right behind me is Silver Lake, this little town right at the beginning of the trail. Stopped and got a little sandwich. Now we're heading up. When we planned this trip initially, we did not predict rain or thunderstorms. Thought it would be normal, sunny. But plans changed like a week out, and we've never been in these conditions, so we're a little nervous. There's actually a flood watch too, so hopefully we make it out in one piece. Don't get hypothermic. See the peak over there? Gosh. This is Gem Lake behind me. We were debating staying here the first night, only if the rain was really bad, but there's no rain yet, so I think we're gonna keep going another 4 miles to Clark Lakes, set up camp, try to catch some fish. Let's go. Don't do it!
One for a splash.
This place is really pretty, but the place we're going tomorrow is gonna be even crazier. It's called Thousand Island Lake, right at the foot of that huge, I don't know what it's called. I think they're called the Minarets. Hopefully weather permits, but I think we should be good. The weather's not as bad as we thought it would be, so. Well, I'm gonna see if we can get a little weather report and see if it will ever stop raining today. It looks like it's gonna be raining pretty much the rest of the day. New stove alert is so we can cook trout because there's no campfires here. So I'm having my appetizer chicken pho. Juliana's gonna have chicken teriyaki rice. It's really coming down now. So we got a lot of water coming through the bottom. That's fun. It just hasn't stopped raining in hours. And I need to go number 2.
You need to go number 2.
I don't know if you can see it. There's a stream of water coming down here, and it was going right under our tent, which is not a huge deal, I guess, because I trust the tent. But I made a little moat here to redirect the water and get it to go off to the side of the tent. Very important update, but I was able to take the number 2. I don't want to leave you guys on a cliffhanger. Mexican food last night was a big mistake. All right, I think that's about it for tonight. First night in the backcountry in rain. Not too bad, just had a stream flowing under our tent. There's rain on the forecast for tomorrow, but hopefully it's not too bad. Then we can make our way to Thousand Island Lake, and that's definitely going to be the highlight of this trip. So, yeah, that's it for tonight. We'll see you in the morning. 6:30. Still raining. See if we can catch some breakfast. Well, the plan was to go to Thousand Island Lake today, but as you can see, it's really wet and cold, and packing up everything would be really annoying. So I'm gonna play it by ear for now. It's still like 9:30 only, so Can't even see past like 100 feet here, I feel like. Haven't seen any signs of fish here, but we're really hoping the weather clears up for tomorrow and we can head to Thousand Island because we know there's fish there. But for now, we're just gonna cozy up in the tent. We got some movies downloaded and just get away from the rain for a bit. So I feel like these conditions are pretty misery inducing, but I feel okay. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay. I think the cold just kind of got me feeling both.
And now I have a bloody nose.
Yeah.
It's currently 12:24 and I don't know when this rain's gonna let up, but we might be here for a while. Started at 4 in the morning and it's just been on and off, but it's been going for the past few hours now. So we'll see.
Got him some more surprise gummies. Let's see what we grab.
Oh, just look at my jaw on that one.
It's because it's cold.
Not a huge fan of pesto, but this one is actually really good. Well, we're finally on our way to where we've been meaning to go this whole time, Thousand Island Lake. The weather finally cleared up for us, so we're determined to do everything we've been wanting to do the past few days. Fish at a lake that actually has fish. Just be outside, honestly. And we have one more full day to do that. It's gonna be epic. The only thing we're concerned about right now is whether we'll be able to find a good site. This lake is pretty popular, and we've seen some people already head there today, so hopefully we can find a good one. Well, we carried this pan all this way. Hopefully we can put a trout on it. Oh my god.
Ah, dude!
She got one!
I got one! I was like,
oh!
Dude, that's big!
That's a big chungus.
She is pretty.
Rainbow trout.
Wow.
Guess we're using that pan tonight.
Oh, yeah.
We got dinner. Come to Papa. Oh, he's not much of a fighter. Oh! Another rainbow. Oh!
Yay, good job.
Don't fall. Oh! No! No! No!
Go smaller.
Should I put him back?
It looks kind of small, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe, huh?
We're gonna put this one back. I think we can get a bigger one. There he goes. Please stay on, buddy. First cast at this new spot. Literally first cast. Bada bing, bada boom.
That's crazy.
Well, we put that small one back and we got a bigger one, just as we hoped.
Yeah.
They're like the same size. So we got 2 big, fat, juicy rainbow trout for dinner tonight. Look at that.
Ew. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Dog. That's fine. Oh. Oh my god.
We have our trout cut in halves, and we're gonna cook it on the pan, and then we have some rice to go with it.
Oh yeah. Look at nice. There you go.
Starting to smoke.
Already? Yeah. Alright, I guess we could put it on.
You can instantly smell it. Oh, that's
God.
perfect.
Nice. Oh,
It smells so good.
this is good.
Got some garlic salt. Then we got some rice.
Oops. This rice is acting different.
We're taking the paste from this shrimp tom yum noodles and we're going to put it on the fish on the inside.
Like a little paste.
Oh my god, that's going to be divine.
This is gonna be the best fish ever, dude.
Smells like tom yum.
I just like the skin's not getting that crispy. You just try to turn up the heat a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
that did the trick. Okay, one more.
here is the finished product. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Oh my god.
Jeez. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. What the?
If you guys have ever seen any of our other videos, this is the best one.
Best one yet.
We've learned a thing or two since then.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Holy mackerel, bro.
That literally tastes like a home-cooked meal. Like, it can't be good out here. We're like in the wilderness. How are we eating this good?
Bro, we're eating like kings.
Oh my god.
Eat it up, eat it up.
Oh my gosh. You can really taste the char.
Mm-hmm. He's scraping the pan. Done.
Done. That was so good. It was so worth it staying the past 2 days in the rain.
Oh, definitely.
Alright, that's it for tonight. Now we're just gonna rest up. We got a long day tomorrow back to the car, full day of hiking, and then a 5-hour drive back home. So, might try to fish a little bit in the morning, but we'll see. So, see you in the morning. We're all packed up and ready to go, and that brings us to the end of this adventure. We have about 12 miles back to the car and then a 5-hour drive back home, so we gotta get going. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace! We got some ominous clouds rolling in, and we hear some thunder. We better run.